All right, time for a quick report. After making their presence felt in the Indian real estate market, companies like Supertech, Omax, Bestech and the 3C company are now looking at tapping the hospitality sector that's growing at an annual growth rate of 14%. Onitam Ojha checks into this latest trend that is seeing developers tying up with global hospitality brands.
Indian realtors are now vying for a pie in the fast-growing hospitality space. Supertech has entered into a series of tie-ups with global hospitality brands like Starwood Hotels and Resorts for their Le Méridien brand, JW Marriott for hotels in its 80-story Supernova luxury mixed-use project, and the Leela Group for its upcoming property in Gurgaon.
एडिड एडवांटेज ये रहता है कि जब हम किसी भी अपने ऑनगोइंग प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर या किसी ऐसी टाउनशिप के अंदर होटल लाते हैं तो ओवरऑल जो हमारी वैल्यू है, रियल एस्टेट वैल्यू जो हमारी है, हमारे बायर्स की रियल एस्टेट वैल्यू उससे काफ़ी एनहांस हो जाती है.
Some of the other recent deals include Canadian Hotel Group, Four Seasons partnering realty firm 3C for its 300-key 5-star hotel at the real estate firm's mixed-use project Delhi One in Noida. 180 branded residences will also be on offer. Bangalore-based realty firm Nitesh Estates entered the hotel business last year by opening the first Ritz-Carlton 5-star luxury hotel property of India in Bangalore with 277 rooms. Carlton Residor has tie-ups with at least 5 real estate companies, and of the 72 operating hotels, at least 15 are with real estate firms. Embassy Group launched Hilton Bangalore Embassy Golf Links this year following its tie-up with global hospitality brand Hilton Worldwide. Intercontinental Hotel Group tied up with real estate firm Omax to open a 150-room hotel under its brand Holiday Inn in New Chandigarh. It is a mix of better business and client demand that is prompting real estate developers to opt for tie-ups in the hospitality space.
Because of the MNC's preference that they want the retail section, they want hotel, they want residential, everything close by. So that is one of the reasons they are tying up with the hotels. And why they're doing it? Because of the expertise. Because I don't think so any of the developers, they were hoteliers before. And for hotel, you need a lot of technical expertise to build it, because otherwise it's just going to be a building. So that's one of the major reasons. And second, for the brand.
Global hotel brands like Carlton Residor, whose 30 to 40% business in India involves real estate partners, foresees more partnerships between hotel chains and realty developers.
You see what happens when you develop a multi-use product, the ground floor, first few floors, you can really market them as retail or something else, but some of the areas, particularly higher floors, you can start developing mid-market products and utilize your floor space area adequately, so that gives them an advantage.
Meanwhile, Supertech has launched Hyphen brand of hotels owned and operated by the real estate company. With 250 rooms, Hyphen Hotels is operational in Noida, Meerut and Haridwar. The fourth one is coming up in Jaipur. Supertech already has 2 hotel properties operational under its tie-up with Carlton Residor, Radisson Blu in Rudrapur and Country Inn and Suites in Meerut.
Hyphen is more like a business model where a regular traveler or a routine traveler who is going on a personal visit or a business visit can avail the facilities in the hotel at very reasonable rates.
Real estate developers' foray into the hospitality space has emerged as a trend in the past few years. It has been a mixed bag for many, but with official statistics saying that India needs another 1 lakh hotel rooms, this could be the right time for the real estate players to tap the market. In New Delhi, Onitam Ojha, NDTV.